Done. Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to our new channel, our new classes. And today we'll discuss about the physics. And I hope you will like these classes. And if I'm audible, then please tell me that I'm audible or not. Everyone, please tell me that I'm audible or not. And if picture quality or everything is clear to you, please tell me. Well, I'm audible or not, please tell me. I'm audible or not. Everyone, it's my request. Please tell me that I'm audible or not. Write in the comment box. Okay. I think my voice is clear and I'm audible to all of you. So in today's class, we'll discuss those things which have been asked in various civil examinations. Okay, and I hope you will like these videos. And if you like these videos, then please do like, share, and do like, share in these videos to your family, friends, or anyone. Okay, so I think we should start now. So these what we will do in these classes. So generally we will start in a proper way. Means firstly we will start studying those things which have been asked in our civil service examinations, and these videos are very helpful for UPSC. These videos are very helpful for UPSC. Okay, UPSC and UPSC, then UPPSC, as well as many state PCS examinations and many state PCS examinations, because maximum question, or you can say maximum topic, have been covered by these videos. Okay, so our today's topic is measurement and unit. And on today's class we'll discuss about the physics. In today's class we'll discuss about the physics, and our topic is measurement and unit. And in this class we will firstly study everything, and after that we will try to recall those things which have been asked in our examinations. So I think we should start now. So first thing is there that what is measurement. First thing is there that what is measurement. So when someone asks you what is measurement, so you can say, so measurement is a science. Measurement is a term of science in which we measure various things. In which we measure various things, like we can measure length, we can measure temperature, we can measure electric current. So we can measure everything. So in simple words, you can say, so measurement is a term of physics in which we deals with the various units, or which by which we can measure various physical quantity, or you can say abbreviative quantities to there. So in these classes we are generally talking about those things, and these are general science classes. So when we talk about the general science classes, so the syllabus of till class 7th, so it is based on the syllabus of science till class 10th. Till class 10th, all the syllabus have been covered, because these have huge importance in various examinations, as I'm saying. So uh, a unit of measurement is defined magnitude of quantity defined by adopted a convention of by law, as we told you. And when we talk about the measurement, or you can say Savannah Kha Siddiqui, good afternoon. Good evening, Savannah. Good evening. Okay, so any other quantities. So when we talk about it, it is used as a standard for measuring of the same kind of quantities. Mainly in measurements, we talk about only those quantities which have same type of measurements. So in the next thing we can say that the any other quantity of that kind can be expressed as a multiple of the unit of measurement. I think this is clear to all of you. When we'll solve the exercise, or you can say when we solve questions, so that everything will be clear to you. Next, to measure physical quantities, four types of systems are systems are developed. Means whenever, because we are using physics, or we are measuring many things millions of years ago. So various systems have been governed, and the recent system is SI system, which is known as the international system. But before going to the recent system, firstly we'll talk about the ancient system, which have been taught in the previous classes. Okay, so I think we should start now. So these are the first these are, you can say, the main measuring systems which were used in the ancient time, or not Indian time, which were used in the 18th or 19th century. So we will take a small glimpse of them. So first is the CGS system. CGS is known as the centimeter gram second system. It is known as the centimeter gram second system. CGS system means length will be, if is a length, it is a length. So length will be measured in centimeter, length will be measured in centimeter, and and weight will be measured in gram, and time, and time is measured in second, and time is measured in second. That's why we can say that it is the centimeter, then gram, then second system. Next is the FPS. It was mainly FPS system is mainly used in the British era. In the British era, because Britishers were using these systems very only, because till today they are using foot pound second, foot pound second. Whenever you will go to any bakery shop, then you will ask, please provide me 1 pound, 1 pound cake, 2 pound cake, because we have taken these scenarios from the British, so that is why we use those things. So foot pound second, foot is measured, foot is used to measure the length, pound is for weight, and S is for second is for time. Next is the MKS. MKS means meter kilogram second, means M is meter, means length will be measured in meter, then K for kilogram, it is measured the weight, and S is for second. And in recent, means you can say in today's scenario, we are using SI system, which is known as the international system. SI system, or you can say it is known as the international system. So I think this is clear to all of you. Now we'll move to the next thing. So what is SI system, and why there needs to study SI system? So it is a modern form of metric system. It is the modern form of metric system, and it was adopted during the Conference of International Weight and Measurement held at Paris, France, in 1960. It's not important, okay? So the important things are there, that till today in SI system there are 7 fundamentals or basic units. The question will be asked, how many fundamental units are there in physics? So you can say, sir, there are 7 fundamentals, or you can say basic units. There are 7 fundamental units or basic units, and various units will be derived from these fundamental units. We will see these things in the recent videos. So now next thing is there. So these are the these 7 fundamental units. That is the physical quantities: the length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, electric current, and amount of substance. And these are their SI units. And after that, the abbreviation. So first is the length. So I think it's clear to all of you that length is generally measured in meter. Length is generally measured in meter. Okay, it's all of you. It's, I think it's easy for all of you. You will be confused in that thing. Okay, so I will come on that thing. So length is measured in meter, and its symbol is small m. Mass is measured in kilogram, not in gram. In SI unit, we measured in kilogram, not in gram. So don't be confused. And that is the symbol of kg. Next is time. Time is okay, that's second, and its symbol is small s. Okay. Temperature, yeah, temperature is measured in Kelvin. Temperature is measured in Kelvin in SI unit, and its symbol is K, and its symbol is K. So whenever someone asks you what is the measurement of, or you can say what is the SI unit of temperature in nowadays, or in SI unit, then you can say, sir, that is the Kelvin. Next is the luminous intensity. So the measurement for the luminous intensity is candela. When someone asks you what is the unit, what is the SI unit of luminous intensity, then you will say loudly, so that is the candela, and the symbol is CD. Next is the electric current, and it's clear to all of you that the unit of electric current is ampere, and the symbol of ampere is A. The symbol of ampere is A. And last one is the amount of substance, and because it is mainly used in the chemistry, so amount of substance is, the unit of amount of substance is mole. The amount of unit of substance is mole, and its symbol is MO. You can say some place you will say MOL, mole. So these are the 7 basic units. These are the 7 basic units, and I think all of you should remember these basic units in a proper way. So first again, length meter, mass kilogram, time second, temperature Kelvin, then luminous intensity, that is the candela, then electric current ampere, amount of substance, that is mole. So please remember these things in a proper way, because we are starting these classes in a very easy manner. So next thing is there. So these are derived quantity. I have generally took those quantities which have been asked in the examinations, because there are many derived quantities are there, but I am only talking about those which are relevant for examinations, because here our motto is to how we can gain extra marks, how we can gain extra marks. That is why we are starting these things. So plane angle, because these are derived quantity. Now you will say, sir, what is derived quantity? Derived quantities are those quantities which have been derived from the physical quantities, or you can say from the fundamental quantities or basic quantities. Again I'm saying, derived quantities are those quantities which have been made or prepared by the help of fundamental 7 quantities. So that is the plane angle. You have to only remember, that things. So that is the plane angles quantity is radian. It was asked in pieces, that's why I'm saying the plane angles unit is radian, then solid angle is steradian. Plane angle radian, solid angle small s is there, so you have to add steradian. Then frequency, the unit of frequency is hertz. It was asked in many examinations. The frequency is measured in hertz. Then force, that's clear to all of you, Newton. Then pressure or stress is measured in pascal. Then energy or work, that is measured in joule. That is the power and radiant flux, or you can say power and radiant flux, that is measured in watt. So you have to only remember these things. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot, then please take a screenshot, because in the recent classes, or you can say in the recent time, you will find questions on these topics. That's why I'm saying that please take a screenshot of these things. So now these are our derived quantity. Electric charge, the quantity of electric charge is measured in coulomb. Then voltage or electric current, is measured in volt. Then capacitance, that is farad. Then electric resistance is the ohm, that is ohm. And after that, electric conductance, that is the Siemens. And last one is the magnetic flux, and that is Weber. Magnetic flux is measured as Weber. So I think that's clear to all of you. Now we'll move to our questions. Next is the astronomical unit. Because whenever we have to measure the huge quantity, so generally we use astronomical distances, or you can say astronomical things. So that is the it is equal to approximately 1 million kilometers, or you can say one. You have to just remember, one astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11. Is 10 to the power 11. One astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. That's easy, and I think you will learn that thing. Next is light year. It is the light year is the unit to measure the distance. It is used to measure the distance, not time. It is used to measure the distance, and one light year is equal to the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Means that is the formula. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into 365 into 25. That is the days. Then that is the hour, because in a day we have 24 hours. That is the 60 minute. And after that, that is the 60 seconds. That is 60 seconds, and that is equal to 9.461 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Again I'm saying 9.461 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Only you should remember that thing, that one 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter into 10 to the power 15 meter, because this is the solid angle may be measured करती है, yeah, solid angle. Oh, okay, well, just a minute. Sabana, when we talk about the solid angle, because solid angles are mainly used, these are mainly used for the by the engineers, because they have to by the engineers, or you can say by the machinist, or you can say heavy mechanist, because they have to take about the angle of various solid things, or you can say at a proper way. In that condition, because I am unable to recall that thing, so in generally you can say these are generally used to solid angles out there. Okay, just a minute, I will, after finishing my tea, I will elaborate everything. Next is the Pascal, parsec. Parsec is equal to 1 point. Parsec is that is the longest measurement of distance. When someone asks you what is parsec, then you can say that is the longest unit to measure the distance. It is the longest unit to measure the distance, and 1 parsec is equal to 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. 1 parsec, because it was asked in very many times that what do you mean by parsec, then you can say, sir, 1 parsec, 1 parsec is the biggest distance, or you can say the biggest distance to measure, the longest unit to measure the distance, the longest unit to measure the distance. Second thing is there, it is equal to 3.26 into 10 to the power 3.26 light years. 1 parsec is equal to 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. Okay, so now we'll move to the next sorry, these are the questions which have been asked in many examinations, and which are totally based on, and these questions are totally based on your examinations, or you can say various state examinations in which IAS, PCS, or you can say BPSC, Bihar PCS, Madhya Pradesh PCS, many exams are there. So now you have to choose that which of the following is correct, and I am still waiting for response. What is light year? Okay, Savannah, just I'm finishing the, I will clear everything. So light year is a distance. Light year is a distance. It is the distance in which light travels in a year. Means uh, light year light year is a distance. Light year is a distance in which light travels in a year, and as you know that the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Means in per second the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 8 meter, that is the speed of light in 1 second. That is the speed of light in 1 second. So as the same in 1 year, so suppose in 1 year light travels all the distances, so that distance is equal to 1 light year. That distance is equal to 1 light year. I think, Savannah, it's clear to you. So, and after that we'll move to next question. So our question is, in simple words, you can say, sir, 1 light year is 1 light year distance in which light travels in a year. That is called as 1 light year. Okay. So now, these are the questions which we have to, which are based on today's class. So our first question is, in the following, which is the fundamental physical quantity? Okay, in the following, which is the fundamental physical quantity? And that question was asked in the 66th BPSC pre-examinations 2020. And now you have to say which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct? Again, I'm saying, in the following, which is fundamental physical unit? And our options are A, force, B, velocity, C, electric current, and D, work, and E, none of the above or more than one of the above. none of the above, or more than one of the above. Anyone who's right? Savannah 1E. No, Savannah. This time you are getting confused. The correct option is electric current, because this is saying in the following which is the fundamental physical quantity, which is the fundamental physical quantity. No, Sabana, just a minute. Okay, just a look in the recent slide. I have taught you everything. That's why I'm saying. So these are in these slides. In these slides, these are the main fundamental units. These are the main fundamental units, and that is the length, meter, mass, kilogram, time, second, temperature, Kelvin, luminous intensity, candela, electric current, ampere, and amount of substance, mole. So these are only 7 fundamental units. These are only 7 fundamental units. And in that question, because electric current was there, so you should clear. So you should clear that electric current will be the correct answer. So where is our first question? Our first question was okay. Yeah. So the correct option is option C. The correct option is option C. That is the electric current, and all of them are incorrect. All of them are incorrect. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is the unit of power is. The unit of power is, and our options are A hertz, B volts, C watt, and D Newton. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? Now question is the unit of power is. The unit of power is A hertz, B volts, C watt, and D Newton. Because all of you have electric motors or various motors at your home, so I think you can correlate that what will be the unit. Okay, so what will be the unit of power? What will be the unit of power? If you can eliminate Savannah Siddiqui 2C. Well then, Savannah, this time you're right. This time you're right, because what is the unit of power? What is the unit of power? Because frequency frequency is measured in hertz. Okay, and potential difference is measured in volts, and Newton, that is the work. Newton is measured as work. So that's clear. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is the unit of electric power is. The unit of electric power is, and that question was asked in many times. And now you have to say which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? The unit of electric power is. The unit of electric power is A ampere, B coulomb, C C coulomb, sorry, A ampere, B volt, C coulomb, D watt, and E none of the above or more than above. None of the above or more than above. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions. That which of the following is correct? Yeah, because I am still waiting for response that which of the following is correct. Savannah Siddiqui 3A. 3A. Savannah, you are again going confused, because go in the previous question. Power. In that question, power. The unit of power is what? Unit of power is what? So you can say any type of power can be measured in watt. Any type of power can be measured in watt. So what happens there? The unit of electric power. The unit of electric power. Suppose you have fan, you have electric motor. So someone asks you what is the power of that? What is the power of that motor? Then you will say, sir, that is 250 watt, 250 watt, 60 watt. Or you can say whenever you will go to any electric shop, then you will say, sir, please provide me a 10-watt bulb. So that shows the power. Okay, so that shows the power. So what is the correct answer? Savannah, you are confused, so don't be confused. Okay. So again, the unit of electric power, is a watt. That is watt. So what is there? So ampere. Ampere is the unit of electric current. Ampere is the unit of electric current. It is a unit of electric current. Okay. Volt. Volt is a unit of potential difference. Is the unit of potential difference. Coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of resistance. It is the unit of resistance. And watt is the unit of power. And what is the unit of power? And that power could be electric power or any type of power. Okay. So now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, frequency is measured in. Frequency is measured in. And our options are A, hertz, B, meter per second, C, radian, and D, watt. D, watt. And E, none of the above or more than one of the above. And that question was asked in Bihar PCS 2018. In Bihar PCS 2018. So anyone who is there, then please tell me that what will be the correct answer. And the question number is 7. Sorry, the question number is 4. The question number is 4. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. If you are getting confused, so go, because we are live this time. So watch these videos from starting, and if you'll watch these videos from starting, so everything will be clear to you. Everything will be clear. That's my promise. Okay. So in that question, what is the measured in? Frequency is measured in. So because frequency is measured in hertz, so option A is correct. So option A is correct. So anyone who is saying option A, okay, Savannah Siddiqui, option A. Well done, Savannah. Now you're right. Now you are right, because frequency is measured in hertz. Frequency is measured in hertz. Okay. And radian, that is the plane angle. Watt, that is the power. Meter per second, that is the speed. So now our next question is, light year is unit of. Light year is unit of. And our options are A, distance, B, time, C, speed of light, and D, intensity of light. And that question was asked in many times. I don't know. That is the UPPCS, then Rajasthan PCS, then MPPCS, various exams. So light year is unit of. A, distance, B, time, C, speed of light, and D, intensity of light. And D, intensity of light. So anyone, many of them are live, then please try to attend these questions. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Because I'm still waiting for response. That which of the following is correct? Please tell me that which of the following is correct. Well, I think we should move to the next question. Oh, sorry, the answer is there. Savannah, I'm still waiting for a response. That which of the following is correct? Because you have asked many times about the light year. About the light year. Well, I think so, because the light year is the unit of. The light year is the unit of distance. 5 ka A. Now you will say, so how you can say it is a distance? It is a unit of distance, because light year is the unit of distance. And you can say, so what do you mean by 1 light year? 1 light year is equal to the distance traveled by light. Distance traveled by light in 1 year, and it is a big unit of distance measurement. Okay, Sabana Siddiqui, 5B. Sabana, you are getting confused. Okay, again I'm saying, in the previous video, when I was saying about the light year, I don't know where I have written, so come on that topic. Okay, again. Oh, I don't know where it is. Light year is the unit. Light year is not a time unit. It is the unit of distance. Light year is the unit of distance traveled by light in 1 year. Again, I'm saying 1 light year is the unit of distance, and this distance is equal to the distance traveled by light in 1 year, and that distance is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. So option 5 ka D, that is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, one light year is the, one light year is the, and options are A, year which had maximum sunlight, B, year in which workload was very light, C, distance traveled by light in 1 year, and D, mean distance between sun and earth. Mean distance between sun and earth. Now you have to say which of the following is correct, because I personally don't know the correct answer. Because I personally don't know the correct answer. That is question number 6. That is question number 6. A light year is the, because in the previous question I have discussed about the light year. In the previous question I have discussed about the light year, that what is light year, that what is light year. Again I'm saying light year is the, one light year is equal to the distance traveled 6c. Yeah, this time Sabana you are right. Sabana, this time you are right. Okay, means distance traveled by light in 1 year. Distance traveled by light in 1 year. So that's correct. Sabana, I think you should clap for yourself. You should clap for yourself because you are right. You should clap for yourself because you are right. This time, various types of peoples are there, and I don't know why they are sitting here and there, and they only waste their time. They only waste their time, and they don't be serious about their studies. Okay, so I think they should serious about their studies. So our next question is, which one of the following is the reason why astronomical distance are measured in light years? So which one? Okay, that question was asked in IS 2021, so it's important. So which one of the following is the reason why astronomical distance, means the distance in the space, astronomical distance are measured? What is the reason the why astronomical reason distance are measured in light years? A, distance among the stellar bodies do not change. B, gravity of stellar bodies do not change. C, light always travel in the straight line. And D, speed of light is always same. And the speed of light is always same. So anyone who is live there, then please try to attend that question, that which of the following is correct. So this time option D is correct, because the speed of light is always same. The speed of light is always same. That is why in astronomical distance, that is why astronomical distance are measured in light years, and astronomical distances are measured in light years, and the speed of light, that is the 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second, and that is the speed of light. Okay, so now we'll move to the next question, and our next question is, parsec is the unit of, parsec is the unit of A, distance, B, time, C, light intensity, and D, magnetic force. And D, magnetic force. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. That is question number. Okay, in the previous, yeah, that was correct. That Sabana, you are correct. That D. Now we are on question number 8. Parsec is unit of, parsec is unit of, and we have A, distance, B, time, C, light intensity, and D, magnetic force. And that question was asked in UPPSC 1997. That question was asked in UPPSC 1997. Now you have to say which of the following is correct, and if you are unable to provide me the correct answer, so that this question will be your homework. This question will be your homework, that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Yeah, I can eliminate some options, because so option D is incorrect and option C is correct. Now you have to choose between A and B. Now you have to choose in between A and B. Sabana, 8D. Sabana, how you are saying 8 and D? No, because in the previous class, in this today's class, in the previous slide, I have told you parsec is the biggest unit. Parsec is the biggest unit. It is the biggest unit to measure length. To measure length, or you can say distance. It is the biggest unit to measure distance. Okay, and it's equal to 3 into 3.49 to the power 3.49 light years. Go in the previous class. As I told you, today's class are totally based on the what we have studied. So in that slide, I have told you that 1 parsec. Parsec is the unit of distance. As I have told you, longest measured distance. It is the longest measured distance, and 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. So now it's clear to you that parsec is the longest unit. So again, I'm saying we should move to the next question. And the question was, where is the question? Yeah, that parsec is the unit of, that parsec is the unit of maybe A. Okay, yeah. So this time you're right, but A is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 nanometer is equal to, and options are A 10 to the power 9 meter, B 10 to the power minus 6 meter, C 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and D 10 to the power minus 3 meter. That is 10 to the power minus 9 meter, that is 10 to the power minus 6 meter, that is 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and that is 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. Okay, this is incorrect and this is incorrect, and now you have to choose between A and B, that which of the following is correct, that which of the following is correct. And this is your homework, this is your homework. You have to choose between A and B. Whenever you will see these videos or these questions, then you have to say, so which of the following is correct. Write in the comment box the correct option, and I'm sure that if your answer is right, so I will provide you a red heart. I will provide you a red heart. It's my promise. Whenever you have time, you have to choose between A and B. So this is your homework. This is your homework. And now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, okay, that question was asked 2 times in UPPSS, that is UPPSS P 2005 and UPPSS LDA 2001. So this is important. Now we have to choose. Now we have to choose match list A with list 2 and select the correct option from the code given below. Select the correct option from the code given below, and we have list A, and in list A we have physical quantities, and in list 2 we have units. In list 2 we have units, and in list A we have physical quantities. Now you have to match list A from list B, or you can say list A to list 2. So suppose I don't know a single one, I don't know a single option, that which of the following is correct, that which of the following is correct. So first thing is the force. So as you know that the unit of force is Newton, the unit of force is Newton, and work done is equal to joule. Work done is equal to joule. C1, C1. So now we can eliminate these two options, C1, okay, and C1, and yeah, acceleration is equal to meter per second, that is equal to meter per second. So A4, A4, yeah, A4. So option D is correct. So option D is correct. Okay, and yeah, option D is correct. So now, because impulse is equal to Newton second. Okay, so now we'll move to the next question, 9D. Well done, Savannah. This time you're right. Well done. 9D is correct option. Yes. Now you should clap for yourself. Well done. Now these questions are properly visible or not? Okay, these are properly visible, then it's okay. So now we'll move to the next question. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay, match the list A with list 2 and select the following. Okay, and that question was asked in UPPSC LDA 2002. Same things are there, and you have to measure which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? These are units and these are permanent quantities. Permanent quantities. Okay, so watt, knot, nautical mile, and calorie. Okay, so because in the previous questions we have seen that the watt is equal to power, watt is equal to power, okay, and heat is measured in calorie, heat is measured in calorie, and speed of ships are generally measured in nautical miles, and knot is used as navigation. So we have A4, A4, A4. So option C is correct. So option C is correct. So option C is correct. I think we should move to the next question. How many watts are there in horsepower? How many watts are there in horsepower? Because it's a very basic question, and I think all of you have been studied that question. Uh, okay, I think all of you have studied that question in class 6 or 7th. So I'm unable to tell which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct? Please tell me that which of the following is correct. I am still waiting for response. Okay, so how many watts are there in horsepower? In horsepower, how many uh, how many watts are there? And now I will eliminate some options. That is incorrect and that is incorrect. And now you have to choose among Savannah Siddiqui 746. Well done, Savannah, you are right. Well done. So 746 is the right answer, because 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt in 746 watt. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? A, not measured of ship, measured speed of ship. Okay. B, nautical mile, unit of distance used in navigation. C, angstrom, used in wavelength of time. And D, light year, used of measuring time. Now this question is all now this question is also very simple. Now this question is also very simple, and all of you have to choose which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct, because I am still waiting for response. That which of the following is correct. Well, if D, well in Savannah, I think now this topic is totally clear to you. That what is light year, because light year is unit of measuring time. That is incorrect, because light year is used to measuring distance. It is used to measuring distance, so that is incorrect. Option D is incorrect. Otherwise all of them are correct. Otherwise all of them are correct. Shabana, you should clap for yourself. Okay, so now we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following is not the unit of heat? Okay, well, which of the following is not the unit of heat? Which of the following is not the unit of heat? And our options are A, centigrade, B, calorie, C, arg, and D, joule. And that question was asked in UPPSC RO 2017. That question was asked in UPPSC RO 2017. So now you can understand that this question is also very important. That this question is also very important. So which one of the following is not the unit of heat? A, centigrade, B, calorie, C, arc, and D, joule. Savannah 13D. Well in Savannah, because joule is the unit of work done. It is the unit of work done. It is the unit of work done. So now Savannah, you should again clap for yourself, because you are right. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, what is the unit of pressure? What is the unit of pressure? And our options are A, Newton per square meter, B, Newton meter, C, Newton, and D, Newton meter, and E, none of the above or more than one of the above. So because this question is new for you, so the correct option is Newton per square meter. Newton per square meter, because when we talk about the pressure, when we talk about the pressure, so pressure equal to force upon area, equal to force upon area. Okay, so generally the force upon area. Okay, so because this unit has Newton, so that is the unit of force, and square meter is the can be measured, square meter can be measured in measured the area, so that is the correct answer. So that is the correct option. Savannah Siddiqui A. Well done, Savannah, you are doing well. Well done. Now we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following quantities do not have unit? which of the following quantities do not have unit? A. Stress, B. Force, C. Strain, and D. Pressure. And D. Pressure. And E. None of the above or more than above. Now you have to choose which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. So stress, then force, then pressure. So now I will tell you this is incorrect, this is incorrect, and this is incorrect. Now you have to choose between stress and strain. Now you have to choose between stress and strain. Then which of the following is correct? That is question number 15. That is question number 15. That which of the following is correct? Otherwise, it will be a homework. Otherwise, it will be a homework in between A and C. Now you have to choose that A is correct or C is correct. Well, in Savannah, strain is correct. Strain is correct. So option C is correct. So option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. One barrel of oil is equal to which of the following? Because in the current news, you will see that all the oils are measured in barrel and the prices are also based on the barrel. So now you have to choose one barrel is equal to one barrel is equal to, and our options are A 131 liter, B 159 liter, C 179 liter, and D 201 liter, and D 201 liter. And now I will eliminate some options. That is incorrect, and that is incorrect. Now you have to choose between B and D. Now you have to choose between B and D. That which of the following is correct? Sai Golua stress. Option B, B. Vinod Kumarji, option B. Yeah, that's correct. That is correct because one barrel is equal to 159. So Sai Golua, you should clap for them. You are correct. Now we'll move to the next question. The smallest unit of length is the smallest unit of length is, because in the previous question we have discussed that the longest unit, that was the parsec. So in that question the smallest unit of length is A micron, C nanometer, B nanometer, C angstrom, and D fermimeter. And D fermimeter. Now you have to choose which of the following is correct. That please write the question number. Vinodji, Savannah Siddiqui, please write the question number. That what is the smallest unit of length? First write the question number. First write the question number. The smallest unit of length is A micron, B nanometer, C angstrom, and D fermimeter. So when we'll talk about the 1 micron, so 1 micron is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Okay, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and 1 fermimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So option D. Anyone who have seen that the option D, Vinod Kumar is 17D. Well done, Vinod, you are correct, because fermimeter, I mean 10 to the power 15 is correct. 10 to the power 15 is correct. So I think Vinodji, you should clap for yourself. No, Savannah, this time you are wrong. This is not correct. The correct option which I have given by Vinod, that option B, option D fermimeter is correct. And it will be our today's last question. That which of the following is the unit? Which one of the following is the unit to measure the thickness of ozone layer in the atmosphere? Which of the following? Which one of the following is the unit to measure the thickness of ozone layer? Used to measure the thickness of ozone layer, because I also don't know the correct option. So I'm still waiting for the correct option. So anyone, please try to provide the correct option. Before that, I will tell you about the ozone layer. So ozone layer is known as the umbrella of earth. It is known as the umbrella of earth. Second thing is there, it is found in the stratosphere. Okay, and umbrella of earth. Second thing is there, that ozone layer, that it absorbs the harmful UV rays, ultraviolet rays, and harmful ultraviolet rays. Vinod Kumar ji, 18B. Well done, Vinod ji. Well done, 18B. Now we know this is correct. 18B. And the thickness of ozone, is measured at Dobson. And World Ozone Day. Now this is the homework, that when we celebrate the World Ozone Day, and options are we have A, B, C. That is the 2nd Feb, then 16th September, and option D, 5th June. Now you have to choose which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? And this question number is K. Question number is K. That which of the following is correct? When we celebrate the World Ozone Day. Vinod Kumar ji, 16th September. Sorry, Vinod ji, I'm not confirmed that 16th September is right or wrong. I will wait for others response. When someone told me that that is correct, then I will be okay. When we celebrate the World Ozone Day. Please provide me the answer that 16th September is right or wrong. Anyone? Sabana, Arya Gupta. Option B is correct. Well, because Arya is saying option B is correct, so we have two options. So Vinodji, now you are right, because we celebrate the World Ozone Day at 16th September. So I think Vinodji, you should clap for yourself. Very good. Yeah, Vinodji, right. BRP. Sometimes I told you that I don't know the correct option because I want different answers. That's what I'm saying. So it was our last question, and this is our last slide. Thank you all of you. And if you hope, I hope you will enjoy these classes, because in these classes we generally talking about the physics, and after that the chemistry, and after that the bio. And I'm sure that all the questions which will be asked in various civil services examination will be covered in this series. And I hope you will like these videos. So please share these videos to your friends or colleagues. And after some time we'll again meet again. So that's enough for today. Have a nice day.